Guys, I'm in Conroe with the fish whisperer, Noi.
Good morning.
It is a little bit foggy, little fog over the lake, but it's gonna be a beautiful sunny day. No clouds in the sky. We're aiming for hybrid, so we're gonna try to get those, but we'll take what's given. Whatever God gives, we'll take. So we'll get back to you when we have a bite. All right, fish number one, guys. And they are way out there though in the morning time. So I'm gotta cast it way out there. Today I changed all my hooks to circle hooks. I am a believer in circle hooks now. Oh, that's a nice blue. Oh yeah. That's the way you start the day right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Check out this blue. Beautiful. That's how we start. Fish number one on the stringer. Oh, good Lord. Dang, man. Oh, that thing was pulling so hard. Have it. It was swimming with it. Good thing I'm using circle hooks today, because normally that would have been gone already. Fish number two, guys. This is a third of the size as the first one. It's actually pretty slow today. Today is start of the new moon, but tomorrow would be much better because it is cold today. I think that's what makes the difference. So tomorrow's gonna warm up, and I bet you tomorrow's gonna be ferocious. Oh, oh my goodness. Thank goodness I got circle hooks, because the J hook definitely would not. What is this? Whoa, 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 what is this? This is not a catfish. This is not a catfish, guys. Oh, hell no, that's not a catfish. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Hybrid, hybrid, baby, hybrid. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, 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 chill. I'll put you back in the water. On my stringer. 18 and a half. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So where's Vice?
Home.
He went home? Is he gonna come back?
Nope.
Oh, you didn't come see what I caught?
What?
Hybrid.
For real?
Right there.
I'm gonna take that one home.
Oh, live action. Live action. A little blue. I like the circle hook, man. It takes no work. Oh, what the heck?
What?
It's a drum. Hey, look what I got. I got the poor man's lobster right here. But we're gonna let him grow up. Let's go sneak up on Suki and Don. Oh, this must be the VIP section. Whew.
He's even got his GoPro on his head.
You know it, man. Live action. A little blue. Woo! Hey, maybe this choppy water's helping.
Yeah. Got one!
That's a nice one, man. While I sit here and pick up some trash. It's kind of slow right now. One bag of trash. That's all I can do for today. Oh, wait a minute. I got a trash bag. Somebody brings a portable grill, leaves the box. Shame, shame, shame. You know who you are. We got some live action, y'all.
Man, looks like it.
It looked like a catfish.
I don't know. Maybe drum? It's heavy though.
Oh, that's a big ass catfish. Oh, he mad, he mad. Look at that big old cat.
Oh, that's big.
That's a big old cat, dude.
That's a big cat, bro.
Grab it, grab it. Don't break the line.
Oh, it's a 4 pound. Oh, yeah.
Oh! Oh! Oh yeah, it's on! Woo, nice blue. Take a look at this blue. Yeah. Check that baby out. Hey, don't curl your tail. Hey, stop it. Live action? Don't play with that fish.
That's big.
Is it a channel? That's a big channel, man. Grab that fish before it runs away. Oh my God.
That'll work?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right over there, sir.
You got him on the string?
Yes, sir. I think I have about 6 cats and 1 hybrid.
Okay, good deal. Slice was put up if you would, just hold them up.
Sure. Uh-oh.
What happened? Up?
Yep.
Uh-oh. That's not good, huh?
That's a hybrid right there.
I got you. So what's on the very end of it down there?
Cat.
Stuck?
The big cat.
No joke.
It'll come out eventually.
Slice, just keep working on them. When you get it up, just holler.
Okay, okay. I haven't seen a Game Warden for at least over a year or so. So it was a surprise visit on the boat, but they were very nice. He didn't even care if I filmed them or not, which is cool. No, it's not a hybrid. That was on my little rod. Hey, at least it caught me something today. Shoot. Woohoo! Look at that. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah, look at that baby right there. Let's see how many cats I got. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cats and 1 hybrid.
You know they go like this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And I got a small hoop.
We heard it. I didn't, before I could look up, I heard it go.
You know how large mine go, right? They try to get some air.
I told the Game Warden, I turned it off. And he goes, "Oh, I don't mind you filming." I was like, "Really?" I should have taken a selfie with them.
I know, right?
Because that would have been my thumbnail. Dang, I didn't think about it, man. It's on? Wait, I just heard my bell.
No, it's not on. I think that one. Hold on.
I think it's been swimming with it, guys. Oh, yeah! Live action, y'all! We got some live action. Oh, man, it's way over here. What the hell? What the hell? Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, I think it's a hybrid. Hybrid! Hybrid! Oh! Hybrid! Hybrid number 2! Woo-wee!
This is Peter. Hybrid.
Let's check.
Check it. 18.5.
Yeah, about 19 with the tail at the end. 19.
I told
You
you.
were right. You were right.
Ain't go nowhere.
Oh, he ain't going nowhere.
Ain't go nowhere.
Woo-wee!
Good job.
Oh, live action! It's catfish. I just threw this one out. I just threw this one out. This is the one I caught the hybrid on.
Is it running?
No, it's a catfish. They're coming in. A blue. What is it?
Way back.
No way. That's a hybrid.
Way back.
That looks like a hybrid. Oh, dang, that's a big white bass. Oh my gosh.
That's a white back.
That's a big
That's a
white,
big
dude.
white bass.
Nice job. Woo! Oh, double action, guys. Double action. Double action. I gotta bring this one in before I get the second one. This one, now, this one is also slack. I just put fresh bait on there. Let's bring this one in quick, guys. Let's bring it in. Circle hook, my friend.
Why you set? I saw you set.
This one too?
Yeah,
Wow.
Come back over there.
yeah.
Like he's yelling at Sean, "Come get your bow!" Sean almost like fell in the water. He's like, and then when Sean gets down there and gets his footing, he's like, and he goes, and then so goes, "Oh, it's my pole."
How many you have already?
Miller Lite?
Yeah.
He's not drunk, but I don't know.
Which one is your pole, Sean?
You almost
Yeah,
hit
big
that.
one? This one.
The big one?
For the surf.
Jeepers.
You got like what, 5 now, the surf pool.
Maybe you need a
That one-
smaller one.
Yeah, that's a small one.
We need to go sub.
You just catch one?
You're never gonna believe this.
What?
So all the like alternative like music that I listen to, my kids couldn't stand it. And out of all the songs that I love, you know what Taylor puts on repeat now, just recently? Enjoy the Silence.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
That's good
oh,
music.
now you're a Depeche Mode. I'm like, there's way better songs than that. But
That's some good music right
oh,
there.
I know.
Let's see what Suki caught. One extra cat. It's a slow day for Suki.
Fighting.
It's a slow day for Suki. Good eater size. Oh, that's the biggest one.
Yeah.
And what do you know? Snap. I should have went in there and grabbed it. I was filming, but I should have grabbed it though.
Well, you know, should have
Hey,
could have.
you see the video. Just put everything in there.
Put everything in there? Okay.
Do not disturb.
So he literally got that close to going.
Yeah.
No, his body went forward like this and stopped.
Put it on, Peter. It's fun though.
Oh man, I got something over here. I got one too. Oh, nice cat. Nice cat. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it's a big mama. Next reel. Oh, another one. Back to back. Back to back. I got two in a row. I got another snack line over here. Live action. Oh no! I need to take a break. Every time we go back, we got fish.
Did you have it?
I got two.
On your line?
I had two. One big cat and a medium cat. It's on. Live action. Baby kitty cat. Live action! Live action! Oh no, I lost it. No, I got it. Catfish! 19, I think. All the way to the tail. The other one was, no, I think this one's 18 and a half. The other one's like 19.
One Game Warden came over here. He didn't know.
Oh, he's like, lift it up. He don't care. Live action! Woohoo!